Wow, man. 3 videos in one day. You guys are going to get sick of looking at me, but that's all right. I haven't made a video in a while, so here we go. Well, I don't know if I told you, I got my Ford Performance Track Attack letter, and I can go down to Carolina and do the track attack down there. They have a year to register, from what it says. So, anywho, let's turn this around and see what we got. This is the Ford Performance. It's the track attack letter, and we're supposed to call and make an appointment. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to make this or not, but I'm going to give it a good try. And that's not the only thing I got. So I got this like a week or so ago, and today I got my owner's package. And this is from Ford Performance. So anyhow, let's open this box up and see what we got. Yeah. Alrighty, so I got my handy dandy case knife. Pretty sharp, pretty sharp. Let me get this right here. Run this down here like maybe it's not as sharp as I thought it was. No, it's sharp. Just grabbing a hold of the box, and then let's run this through here and closed case knife. Let's open this up, see what we got. Oh, baby. So here we go. Open her up. This is kind of supposed to go like this, eh? Open this up. Mach 1. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. So this is an envelope. And I'm sure it's full of pictures and stuff. So we'll set that to the side for now. And then, it's a pretty nice box, ain't it? Yeah, it is. Let's take all this stuff out. Filler. And let's set this back a little bit. Make this a little better. So let's see what we got here. So we'll set this to the side and get this box out. Set it on the floor so I can trip on it later, you know what I mean? It's usually how it goes. And this. Oh, let me take this apart and I'll bring you right back. So this was the sleeve that the box goes in. So this is the box here. So let me probably have to open this up here and bring it back. Trying to do all this with one hand here, and it's not working out very well, right? You know. But hey, I tried, right? So, or maybe, let's see. Get your big old arm out of the way there, Mr. Mach 1. Just not. Well, you know what? We got it. Mach 1, baby. So we'll set this right here. And here is another filler piece of cardboard. Hey, look it! Stress relief. So look at this, is pretty cool. Yes, we got gears, transmission front gear, and yeah, this is pretty neat. Rubber bands. Oh, let me pull this out and I'll bring it right back. So this is what we got. We got gears, and then we got the hook that goes into the front bumper. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty cool. So yeah, I'm kind of digging this. And I don't know, should be something that goes there. Maybe whatever's in there is in this packet. So let me open this up and I'll bring you right back. Yeah, right, buddy. So we have some information here. So it says that the Tremec 6-speed comes with a 373 and the 10-speed automatic comes with a 355. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So little information there. This right here is a letter saying that congratulations and welcome to the group as owner of an all-new limited edition 2021 Mach 1. Ain't that sexy? And then, oops, don't fall. And then we got the bumper, you know, put that there. I don't think I'll be putting that on. And then we got the gears and stuff, and got this little plaque right here that goes on here. It's a M1602 chassis number. And then we got this right here where you can order the picture frames and stuff for it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Right, right. And, you know, you see the Mach ones. You got the 69 red one that's on the right there. And then you got the 69 blue one that's on the left. Well, a little information about that blue one. That guy is a friend of mine. His name's Bill. And I see him pretty much every Saturday night at Big Boys on Telegraph. He's a pretty good guy, you know, very, knows a lot about the Mustangs and that like that. And he's got his 2021 on order, and they keep pushing it back, and he's not very happy. But, you know, the cool thing is he got to drive his car on the track with the commercial. Here, let's do this. Oh, and another plaque right here, just, you know, with my VIN number and everything on it, and where it was produced, and the chassis number, and the 2021 production run. So that's pretty cool too. So a little certificate there. And then another picture that we could put in a frame. And again, oh, sorry about that. This car right here is my buddy Bill's. And if you watch the Telegraph video when I'm doing all the Mustangs, the 69 Mach 1 in that video is that car. So me and Bill's going to get together, and we're going to do a little video and an interview with that car right there and Bill. So keep a watch out for that on a later date, which we're going to do that before the summer's end. It's just that, you know, every time we get together, there's a zillion people around, so, and it's noisy and stuff like that, so we just need to get somewhere like a park or whatever. I'll take my 70 and he can take a 69, and then we'll do a little photo shoot with the cars. But shoot, guys, that's it. And the stress relief. Woo-wee, can't be stress relief, can we? So we'll put that back in there, and I'm going to put everything back together until I get some frames and stuff like that. And I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching and opening this box with me. I'm pretty excited, man. I got this little plate right here that goes with my chassis number and everything on it. So cool beans, guys, cool beans. So my wife's got, when she got her car, the Shelby, she got a little crank, like a little flat plane crank and stuff like that. But I think she's got hers at work on her desk. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Thank you. You guys have a great rest of your day. And sorry for so many videos in one day, but we got them. I'm making up for the ones I haven't made. Have a great day, guys.